Good morning, students. Open your camera, Simran, Jazeel. Open your cameras, beta. Can you hear me? I can't hear any one of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is Shazeel? Shazeel is there in this class?
Yes, ma'am.
Open your camera.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, children. What did we do in the last class?
Ma'am,
What?
revision.
Test, some small test.
All right.
Ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, beta. Now today again, let's just do a little revision work. I'm going to dictate you a few things.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm going to dictate you a few things and you have to type those things in the chat box. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we begin?
Yes.
All right. The first word is merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Ma'am, can you please repeat it once again?
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. You can type it to me directly.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
Beta, I'm dictating you a few words or they could even be sentences and you are supposed to type them in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
So the first word is merci beaucoup and you will type your answers directly to me. Not even a single answer in the chat box. What is merci beaucoup? Merci beaucoup. We have done this in the first chapter. Very nice. Asfa, that's merci. And where is the word beaucoup? Asfa has given correct answer in the chat box. What is merci beaucoup, Lavanya? What does it mean? All right. Looks like you people are a little confused. Now I'll type the answer and tell me, have we not studied it? Have we not studied merci beaucoup?
Ma'am, we have studied.
Then why were you not able to type? Not even a single student could type it. Why? Okay, next word. Now all of you will type it. The next word is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Beta, you don't have to give me the English translation, Lavanya. You are supposed to type what I am dictating you. Very good, Aspa. Very good, Aradhya. Hurry up and everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hurry up and all of you type Bon Nui in the chat box. Atulya, beta wrong spelling. Okay, what is the correct spelling of Bon Nui? Aspa, type your message to everyone. Let everyone see what Bon Nui is. According to the strength of the class, I'm getting such less answers. Only a few students are typing their answers. What about others? Good. That's Bon Nui. Now, the next one is Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Hamza, beta, wrong. This is not Comment ça va in French. Atulya, wrong. Open your books, Atulya and Hamza. Open your book and find out where we have studied Comment ça va.
Ma'am, I'm not having the book.
Okay, you don't have the book. You must be having the PDF.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Which
open the
chapter we are
PDF.
doing? Which page number?
Beta, we are doing revision of chapter 0 and
Atulya, please send the PDF on WhatsApp.
anyone has the PDF, please send it on WhatsApp group.
Sir, ma'am, is my answer correct? Okay, ma'am.
Pratishta, yes, your answer is correct. Aradhya's answer is correct. And that's all.
Ma'am,
Asfa's answer is correct.
ma'am, this one is PDF. You can check in the group.
Okay, let me see in the group the PDF.
Ma'am, I got the printout of this same.
So this is lesson 0. I'm talking about lesson 1. How many chapters are coming in your UT1?
Ma'am, two.
Ma'am, to
Yes, lesson 0 and lesson
One.
1.
ma'am, one.
Ma'am, I got the printout also.
Very nice. Beta, send lesson 1 also. Anyone has lesson 1?
Ma'am, I have found this lesson only in the group.
You have only
Ma'am,
this
can
one.
I get this correct spelling?
First, one of you please send the PDF of chapter 1.
Ma'am, I would be having everything.
You don't have? Wait, let me send.
ma'am, I can make
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes. Okay, children, I've sent it.
ma'am, I have 2 arrows.
Yes, you have?
Ma'am, 2 arrows.
Okay, the next word that you have to type is, the next sentence is, what were you showing me? 2 rupees.
Ma'am, 2 arrows.
2 euros. Okay, very nice. Good. The next is je m'appelle, and you can write your name. Je m'appelle. All right. Lavanya has sent her answer. Pratishta correct. Asfa correct. What about others? Yash, Shazil, Ayan, Hamza, Mohammed,
Yes, ma'am.
Simran. Where are your answers?
Can I tell this correct spelling?
Yes, type it for everyone. Correct spellings. How you no. Atul, whose answer is this, beta? Asfa, your answer is not correct. Jamapel is
Ma'am,
J-E, not J-A.
Ma'am, I have sent it to everyone.
All right, good. Jamapel Pratishtha. That's correct. Okay, now my next sentence is Como tu t'appelles?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Como tu t'appelles?
Ma'am, I have sent. Ma'am, you can check my.
But Atulya, you've sent it above only when I said Yamapel. Why did you send it then? Okay, Aradhya, beta wrong spelling of appel. Correct the spellings of appel. Simran, como tu t'appelles, again wrong spelling. Asfa, again wrong spelling. In como tu t'appelles, we have S in the end.
I have also sent. Ma'am, I have also sent. I have sent.
Ahan, wrong
Ma'am, I
spellings.
sent that right one.
Atulya, correct spelling. Como tu t'appelles. Okay. Pratishta, send this to everyone in the group. The next one is okay, listen to it very carefully, all of you. Je suis comme si, comme ça. Je suis comme si, comme ça. We have done je suis.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
Have we done je suis? Have we done it? Je suis? No. Okay. Just type comme si, comme ça. Very good, Lavanya. No, Aradhya, it's not ENT. Comme si, comme ça. Check it in the book, what it's written, how it is to be written. Comme si, comme ça. Ahan, correct. Aradhya, NT should be removed. Atulya, NT should be removed. And the spelling of sa is also
Ma'am, I was
correct.
reading comment by mistake. I have read it.
Pratishta typed the correct answer. Comme si, comme ça. Pratishta has not typed her answer only. Yes, you've not typed your own
Ma'am,
answer.
I have sent it.
What, Yash?
Ma'am, I have sent.
Yash. Yes, Yash has also sent. Comme si, comme ça. Now Ahan has typed it correctly. So Ahan, can you send it once again? Comme si, comme ça. Okay, in com si, very nice. In com si, we have SI. The spelling goes SI, not CI. Okay? Comsi, comsa. Yes, Pratishtha, ask your question.
Nothing. Ma'am, I was just saying that I have also read it.
Okay, next word is abiento. Abiento. Very good, Aradhya. Very quick. Atulya, correct. Lavanya, correct. Hamza, where is your answer? Simran, where is your answer? Ayan Hussain, Shazil Uddin, Jash Tikiani. I have not got even a single answer from you all. Okay, correct. Atulya, Afsa, Ahan, Pratishtha. Good. The next one goes bonsoiré. Bonsoiré.
Ma'am, what?
Bonsoiré.
Ma'am, can you please spell it again?
Bonsoiré, not bonsoir. It's bonsoiré. Very nice. So many correct answers. But Hamza, wrong answer, beta.
Ma'am,
What
Ma
is
is correct.
Atulya's answer is yes, it's correct. Bonsoiré. Yes, rest everyone's answer is correct. BONNE is bon, and soiree goes SOIREE. Bonsoiré. Okay. Now, children, I'm going to type a few questions in the chat box. You will you will write the answers in your copies. Okay, take out your copies.
Ma'am, we can give heading as a reason.
Yes, you will give the heading as revision.
Ma'am, we have to write the questions.
Yes, you have to write the questions. Written, everyone has written revision.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, just 5 questions in the chat box. Start posting your work in the class group, okay, in the WhatsApp group once you finish it.
Ma'am, what is the question?
What, beta? What are you saying? What is?
Ma'am, what is the question? Got disconnected from the
Okay, I'll send it again. Wait, I'll type all 6
Ma'am,
questions
what we have
together.
to do? Can you tell?
Beta, I have typed a few questions in the chat box. You have to do these questions in your French copies.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now see if you have any network issue, take a screenshot of these 6 questions. And when you finish doing it, send it on the class group.
Ma'am, we have to write question also.
Yes, you have to write questions also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, by mistake, ma'am, I have written the heading with blue pen.
You have written the heading with?
Blue pen.
So doesn't matter. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And children, once you do it, please let me know. Fine. It's a very short revision test, you can say. Try to finish it fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have to write we have to write French flag colors in French or in English.
No, you have to tell the colors of French flag in French only. How are those colors called in French?
Okay, ma'am.
And I have done the test.
Very nice. Posted it? Have you posted on the class group?
No, ma'am.
Okay, hurry up and post it then. What about others? How much time do others need?
Ma'am, I am on.
Ma'am, my 2 questions are left.
Okay. Okay, as far I've checked your paper. See, you have not written the correct spelling of the cheese. Both the spellings, both the cheese spellings are wrong, beta. Correct them.
I have also completed.
Okay, I have checked Aradhya's work and sent. Aradhya, beta, you're supposed to tell the colors of French flag in French language. I have crossed that. It won't be counted correct. Aradhya, I think, has left.
Ma'am, we have to write the heading of question also in French.
What? We have to? I
Ma'am,
cannot.
we will write in two cheese of France, so then that we have also write in French.
Yes. Every answer, every possible thing that can be written in French, you have to write in French only. Okay, now Pratishta has. Very nice, Pratishta. So you have sent your work.
Thank you,
Lavanya
ma'am.
Singh, Lavanya, why have I got only one answer from you, beta?
I answered last question.
Yash, where is your work? Shazil, where is your work?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Atulya, where is
Ma'am,
your
I am doing.
work? Hamza, I'm waiting for you all's your work, everyone's work, those who've not sent. Okay.
Ma'am, I
On which question are you, Yash? Which question are you, Shazil?
Ma'am, fifth question.
Okay, Yash has sent. Yash, beta, the spelling of the first cheese is wrong. And what is the spelling of rouge? Color rouge. What is the spelling? Tell me. And children, see, when these kind of questions are put up, like the question is, what is Paris known as? So you're not supposed to write it is known as the city of lights. You have to tell it in French. Okay, it's called La Vie Lumière. That's more appropriate. Who is left to send? Ayan, Hamza, and Shazila left, right? Rest all have sent?
Ma'am, me too. Ma'am,
Atulya, yes. Children, those who've submitted their work, they can leave the class. As it is, there is not even a minute left for the class to get over. And rest of you, please post your work later if you are not able to do it here right now.